Imagine walking into a company where work never stops. Emails are answered instantly. Customer issues are solved at midnight. Reports are generated before you even ask for them. And the most surprising part? Many of the employees doing this work aren't human at all. They're AI employees. This isn't science fiction or a distant future. Right now, businesses across the world are quietly hiring digital workers that think, learn, and operate alongside humans. These AI employees don't sit at desks, don't clock in, and don't take breaks. Yet, they are reshaping how companies function from the inside out. So today, let's explore what AI employees really are, why businesses are adopting them so fast, and how they could redefine the future of work itself. Traditional software follows instructions. AI employees go beyond that. They are systems trained to perform entire job roles, customer support agents, analysts, marketers, assistants, even managers of workflows. An AI employee doesn't just answer a question. It understands context, learns from previous interactions, and improves over time. It can handle exceptions, adapt to new data, and make decisions within defined boundaries. In many cases, it feels less like using software and more like working with a digital teammate. This is the key shift. AI employees are not tools. They are roles made digital. The reason businesses are moving so fast is simple. AI employees remove bottlenecks. They work 24/7, respond instantly, and scale infinitely. One AI customer support agent can handle thousands of chats at the same time. An AI marketing employee can test dozens of ad variations overnight. An AI finance assistant can monitor transactions continuously and flag issues in real time. For startups, this levels the playing field. For large companies, it slashes costs and boosts speed. Businesses no longer need massive teams to operate globally. They need well-trained AI employees and a small human leadership core. AI employees are not coming. They're already here. In customer service, AI agents handle refunds, complaints, tracking updates, and FAQs with near-human conversation skills. In marketing, AI employees write copy, schedule posts, analyze engagement, and optimize campaigns. In HR, they screen resumes, shortlist candidates, schedule interviews, and onboard new hires. In finance, they reconcile accounts, detect fraud, forecast cash flow, and generate reports. Most customers never realize they're interacting with AI, and that's intentional. The experience feels faster, smoother, and more consistent than human-only systems. This is where many people get worried. Are AI employees replacing humans? In reality, they are changing what humans do. AI employees are best at repetitive, data-heavy, rule-based tasks. Humans are best at creativity, judgment, leadership, emotional intelligence, and ethical decision-making. When combined, productivity skyrockets. Instead of replacing workers, AI employees often free humans from boring tasks, allowing them to focus on strategy, innovation, and meaningful work. The most powerful organizations won't be fully automated or fully human. They'll be hybrid teams. Here's where the future gets really interesting. We're entering an era where a single founder can run an entire company with the help of AI employees. Marketing, customer support, sales follow-ups, accounting, scheduling, all handled automatically. These businesses are lean, fast, and global by default. One person with a laptop and a team of AI employees can now compete with companies that once required dozens of staff. This could lead to an explosion of micro-companies, solo founders, and creator-led businesses. The barrier to entrepreneurship has never been lower. Of course, this power comes with responsibility. If an AI employee makes a mistake, who is accountable? If AI replaces jobs too quickly, how do we protect workers? If AI makes decisions, how do we ensure fairness and transparency? AI employees must be trained carefully, monitored continuously, and aligned with human values. Automation without ethics can amplify bias, errors, and inequality. The goal is not to eliminate humans, but to elevate human potential. Regulation, oversight, and responsible design will define whether AI employees become helpers or hazards. AI employees are no longer an experiment. They are becoming the backbone of modern business. They don't just automate tasks, they reshape how companies think, operate, and grow. In the future, success won't be about having the biggest team or the longest hours. It will be about how intelligently humans and AI work together. Businesses that adapt will move faster, cost less, and reach further than ever before. Because the future of work isn't human versus machine. It's humans empowered by AI employees.